So as well as a 1928 Crossley in work, even though Bob's finishing for the day, we've got the Mirrlees single cylinder now painted up, awaiting its crank going in. And these two chaps here are getting ready for the 4-cylinder ex Manchester Ship Canal Mirrlees engine to go back together. This is a bit unusual as it doesn't have Mirrlees Bickerton date stockport cast into the bed plate.
While they were moving production to stockport, it's got to be one of the Mirrlees. It was being explained to me.
Seems very strange they put all the oil cross hatchings on the loaded surface of the bearing. That is really a no-no.
Maybe we put them in upside down.
You'll have to excuse our friend Mark, he's new to this planet. So we just have to pray now for decent weather, because it's not much fun out here when it's miserable.